Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 83. Today we show you a Chrome extension to help boost your browser performance called OneTab. If you're a Chrome user, you know that it's a pretty fast, reliable, and clean browser at first. But we inevitably get a little bit carried away and install several extensions and start opening 10, 20, 30 tabs at a time. And, well, Chrome can be a huge memory hog. In fact, if you've ever looked at your task manager, you might be in for a shock as to how much of your computer RAM is being used by Chrome and how many processes it has open. Part of the reason for this is that Chrome splits every tab, plugin, and extension into its own process so that if one thing crashes, like Flash, it doesn't crash your entire browser. Remember those old Internet Explorer days? Well, by segmenting each tab into its own process, Chrome protects the other processes from a crash. This comes at an overhead cost for each process, and some processes need to be open for each tab. Chrome also has a pre-rendering feature which makes pages load faster but costs RAM. Now, you can close tabs or uninstall extensions manually, or you can use more helpful tools. One tool to turn off extensions is called Extensity, and I covered that extensively in Tech Tuesday number 53. But what about tabs? Well, that's where OneTab comes in. OneTab is a simple extension that closes all of your current tabs and then saves them as a list that you can reopen later. You can even export this list, copy, paste it, rename it, and so on. Let's see it in action. So you go to the Chrome Web Store and you search for OneTab by OneTab.com. Install it, and once you have it, you will have an icon up at the top here in your taskbar. It looks like a little blue filter. Basically, when you've got multiple things open, you simply hit that one tab to close them out and narrow it all down to just one tab. You can then open the items as you wish or even X them at any time. So if you open them up, you can then have that page open using only the RAM for that tab. The great thing about OneTab is that you can actually restore multiple times and it'll create a new list every time you do that, but you can move things around in that list and even name these sections that it creates. If you go to More, you can then name this tab group. You can restore all of them, you can delete them all, you can even go over here to More and you can star it. Starring it will make it appear at the top of the list no matter what, and locking it will allow it to basically not change at all. Even if you go and open these up, they'll still stay, and if you hit delete by mistake, it won't delete them. You can export and import URLs if you need to. You can share all of this stuff as a web page. One thing to note is that in Chrome, a lot of your stuff travels with you in your account. That is not the case with OneTab. OneTab stays on the machine that you install it on. You'll have OneTab on other machines, but the bookmarks that you make here, so to speak, these held tabs, stay on that machine only. So if you do use OneTab for some work and you want to get it to another computer, you're going to have to export and import the URLs. OneTab is really great because it allows you to kind of have a whole bunch of stuff kind of open, not lose your place. You're in the middle of something and you just got to shut your computer down and stop for the day, but you got 20 tabs open and you're wondering like, how am I ever going to get back into this headspace? You just hit one tab, it saves it all, you come back the next day and open up the things you need to open. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us? Click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below and share this video with your friends. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.